Welcome back. Oil prices are rising this morning. Again, the price of Brent up almost 4%, and crude oil is up 3.8% right now at 86.67. The International Energy Agency reportedly proposing the largest release of strategic oil reserves in its history. The decision coming today. Several countries put new oil in that fund in 2022. So we will find out if they will release it. Japan is expecting to release its own oil next week. The U.S. further unleashing its own strikes, meanwhile, on more than 24 Iranian mine-laying ships after President Trump vowed to take action to protect the Strait of Hormuz and get oil transported throughout that critical waterway. U.S. Antimony Corporation recently receiving a $27 million grant from the Department of War to help support domestic critical minerals used in military weaponry and other defense technology. Joining me now is the chairman and CEO of U.S. Antimony Corporation, Gary Evans, back with me. Gary, good to see you. Thanks very much for being here. And before I get to why you're at the New York Stock Exchange this morning, tell us about the grant from the Department of War and how this conflict has impacted your business.
Great. Good morning. It's nice to see you, Maria. Yes, we won this grant that we've been working on for about 6 months. It was $27 million, and the purpose of it was to reimburse us for all the money we spent on our expansion efforts in Thompson Falls, Montana, which will be done actually in a couple weeks. So what that facility does, it makes antimony ingots. This is what one looks like. This is a 5-pound ingot. We actually make them in 50-pound ingots, and those ingots go to the Department of War, the DLA, to serve as inventory for wars like we're in right now. And so we have the lowest stockpile since World War II, so we're trying to ramp up as fast as we can to make antimony, this is 99.7% antimony, to help our military.
Yeah, and it's really important because antimony is one of those critical rare earths that we need not just for devices and things like that, but for military equipment. Tell me specifically where antimony is used, Gary.
You can't fire a bullet in the world without antimony. It's a hardening material for lead. It's used in the ignition system for primers, laser-guided missiles, drones, night vision cameras, night vision binoculars. A pilot cannot eject out of his seat in an airplane without antimony. So that's just the military side. The bigger side is really in the industrial. Fire retardants, like all the new AI technology buildings, all the data centers, they have to have antimony to keep fires from occurring. And then all the wiring, you can imagine the wiring inside those data centers get very hot, and antimony keeps them cool and keeps them from starting on fire. Yeah,
really important stuff here, so thank you for that. And Gary, you recently announced this partnership with America's Gold and Silver, and I want to ask you about this Idaho project because I know that you've gotten all of the necessary permits to build this hydrometallurgical processing facility in the Idaho mining operations. Are you still waiting on permitting for the construction part of this?
No, as you know, we were on the show with the CEO of America's Gold and Silver with you a few weeks ago, and we're full steam ahead. Our team and their team are working on the engineering, working on the plans. We actually are taking our teams to Bolivia to look at our commercial scale plant that we started last year secretly. It's out making 150 tons a month of antimony flake. So this will be a larger scale of our Bolivian operation, and will be the first commercial scale hydromet facility to make antimony flake, which will then go into our smelters and make antimony ingots. And so it's a great process because it can take all grades of antimony. So since that announcement, we've been contacted by 2 other companies that would like to bring their antimony to us.
That is wonderful. And of course, you needed the permitting to be easier. The government has enabled that with those permits. So you are moving forward. You also recently completed this technical report on the tungsten deposit in Ontario, Canada. Tell us about that, because it showed that the deposit has an inferred value exceeding over $4.5 billion. Is that right?
Yes, we bought this deposit in May of last year at the urging of the Department of War. No tungsten is currently being mined in North America, either Canada or the United States. And tungsten is a very necessary ingredient for tanks and for submarines. It's the second hardest mineral behind diamonds. And we bought this project. Our engineers in-house had identified it as being one that had been left behind. We did enough work in 2025 that allows us to go get a third-party resource report that's qualified for SEC reporting. And as you said, it reports over $4.6 billion of future revenue. So we've believe this will be the very first tungsten mine operated in the United States in 12 years, and we plan to do the same thing we've done in antimony. We'll mine it, we'll have midstream, and we'll hopefully refine it and make it products for our U.S. military.
And I'm wondering, given this incredible demand that we're seeing for antimony and other hard assets, Gary, what is your expectation for prices? Because a lot of people talking recently about the fact that antimony prices were moving lower. Have things changed given the Iran war?
Well, antimony prices went from $5 to around $30 a pound, come back down around $17 to $18 a pound. In the most recent weeks, it's been drifting back up. If you look at tungsten, though, it's been on a straight northern trajectory. And you got to understand, back when China cut off antimony and tungsten shipments to the United States and the rest of the world, they did that in September of 24. That was before Trump was ever in office. That was during the Biden administration.
Yeah.
It was done because the largest mine in China, called the Twinkle Star mine, depleted. A 125-year-old antimony mine, the largest in the world. So this is truly an example of there being a lack of material worldwide, and unfortunately being controlled by an adversary. So we're moving as fast as we can to change that.
I love it. And we thank you for your efforts on that, because we know that China is trying to beat the United States on all of this, and these are national security issues, Gary. You're at the New York Stock Exchange today. Your company was recently approved for what's called an uplisting on the New York Stock Exchange, whereas now you are reporting massive growth, and you've moved the listing up to the main New York Stock Exchange. This is a big deal because the company will now perhaps see access to bigger institutional investors, and perhaps give people an opportunity to buy in. The first 9 months of 25, you reported 26 million in revenue compared to just over 9 million in 2024, 182% increase year over year. Tell us about the business and where growth comes from next.
We'll report our full year 2025 results sometime next week. They're going to be revenues around 39 to 40 million, which, as you mentioned, is a substantial growth. But 2026, we're expecting revenues north of 125 million.
Wow.
2027, north of 200 million. So we're moving at warp speed. When I took over this company 3 years ago, our share price was 20 cents a share and a 20 million market cap. As we sit here today, getting ready to ring the bell, we're over 1.5 billion market cap. But I tell everybody, you haven't missed the boat. We've just begun.
Which is why you're moving up to the major leagues on the New York Stock Exchange. We will be watching you ring the opening bell this morning, Gary, and I'm watching the story as well. Good to see you, sir. Thank you.
Good seeing you, Maria.
All right,
Take
Gary
care.
Evans at the big board. We'll be right back.